Hold on, hold on. Hold on. Go. Oh! Hey, one of them didn't come out.
Did you like both of them?
Skylar, I got the American one. Shine me a light, Cam.
I didn't get the light mine.
Oh. Get that.
That one I didn't get the light.
Shine me a light, Cam.
Oh, God.
I think that's just gonna be red, white, and blue. Goes off.
Yeah, I got you, Skylar.
You better hope that thing comes out of the ground.
Be careful, don't break the stick.
Make sure to come out of the ground. You gotta take that off, Skylar.
Alright, I got the light.
You broke the stick. That's good right there. As
It's
long as it'll stay up.
Wipe that thing and run, boys.
Holy
Ride and run! Holy golly.
Oh!
Shit about more of them. Yeah, some crazy boys in there.
Hold up. I gotta get the fuse.
Why don't you do one at a time so you can actually watch them?
Because it don't matter.
I'm lighting this one.
Okay, go ahead and light it.
We'll save them.
Oh, watch out.
Fire in the house!
Watch out. Light her up.
I don't know what this one's doing, bro.
Lighten. Light, Cam.
Yeah.
We got all them fountains too. Skylar lighting.
Cam?
one.
I think.
Oh, we're waiting on Kaylee.
Well, we still got big
Yeah,
ones
I
to
think
do.
so.
We got them mortars.
I gotta find the fuse on it anyway.
It's on top.
Oh, yeah. I see.
Look at it says,
Shine me a light, Cam. Do you just poke through right here?
it's on cut.
Do you just poke through?
Yeah, you just push it back.
Mine didn't have a fuse.
How did he get it?
I got mine.
Let Kay do it.
Here, Braden, will you get mine?
Mine?
Stay right there, Kaylee. Come here.
I need a lighter.
Fire in the house.
Oh, it's lit. Here, let's go, Bert. Shine a light, Cam.
Hold on.
Brian, you lighting yours? Go ahead. Oh, well, hold up. Go. Mine's not even upright. Hold up. Ready?
You're okay right there, Kaylee.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
There's one left here. Here.
What is it?
Hold on. Go light it.
Go ahead.
Put it in the thing. Light it.
Cam, light.
Hold on. Yo. Oh, God. That didn't even have a chance to take off. Hold on. Show me your light, man. Come on, Brady.
Ready? Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Who's lighting the next two?
Who's lighting the next two? Oh, God. Hey.
What that? There's something.
Oh, I forgot I did buy food at Mex.
Had some sun.
I'll have money for